Hi guys, this is LT Survival. Well, just received the prize that I won from Nova Scotia Bushcraft. So it's an unboxing. Hopefully you like that. I've already cut most of the tape with my hike. The P831, yeah, SF. So nice knife. I'm now able to flick it open because I got the way of putting my pressure on the thumb stud. This is very difficult. You'll see when I do the review, I can barely open it. So let's see what's inside. I saw a bit on the screen what it was, but it seems bigger than what I was expecting. So paper, some bubble. First of all, one beautiful patch that's gonna go on my my wall. I'm gonna put some Velcro on it. Yeah, their business card. Nice, nicely done. Oh. A ferro rod glued into a aluminum whistle. You can see there, nicely done. I think it's from my friend, the 12 RBC guy. Jesus, the name just eluded me. I'll have to review that. I might put it in comment. 3 small packets, but one thing, I'm gonna come back to that. I'm gonna come back to that. Holy crap. The cutting board I won in different wood. Wow. This is massive. Holy crap. Sorry for the movement of camera. I'm really not good in following my own movement with the camera in front of me. Oh, there's more. Okay, stand by. I'm just gonna take away the box. Okay, because I don't have my camera. There's a goodie bags here with other small ferro rods. Oh, nice. Really nice. Beads. Okay, I'm gonna have to ask guys to tell me who made those so I can thank them. Holy shit. Yeah, it must be the same guy that did the first one. Oh, that one is broken off. So, my heart is broken. The small one is broken off. Okay. Where's the other? Oh, yeah. It's probably the same guy that did that. Jesus. I have your name in my head, but not at the tip of my tongue. So the goodie bags, fire bag, ferro rod, one is broken. That's okay. One of those small knives that you see all kinds in the that you could put into a bag with that has moly. That's nice. I wanted to order one, but I wasn't sure to do so. Okay, let's see what's in there. There's one of the 3 plastic bags. My camera holding on my right hand and trying to get into the bag. It's not the easiest thing. That's why I almost unpacked it. Last night I was really excited when I saw them. Oh yeah, that's the spreader. Ooh, that's nice. That's really nice. A spoon. My first carved spoon. Believe it or not, I've never had a carved spoon. So that's the first one. Nice. Oh, there's other stuff. Okay, let's put that there. Let's make some space so I can shoot something intelligent. Okay. I'm gonna put all the prize on it. Okay. There's one I want to keep at the last. How long? Okay. Oh yeah, nice little strap, one-sided strap on a plastic backing. Ooh, this is nice. Nice thickness of leather on that. Ooh. Yeah. Made by... Oops. Hello. Focus, focus. J. Iris. Huh. Nice. And last but not least, the knife. And guys, I don't have a clue who made this. Well, I have a clue who made it, but look at this beauty. Wow. Just that is a mega prize. Let's see what 5655 Pakistan, handmade by wow, it's a shiny blade. Okay, you see the logo, I'm gonna read it. It's the bone edge, handmade with stag handles. My dog wants to come in. Holy crap. Oh, sharp. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Sorry, I had to check the edge. Really nice. So, this is, I'm going to take a close look. I made that on the side of the breakfast table. Wow, thanks. Bushcraft, Nova Scotia Bushcraft. I wasn't expecting winning anything. I almost won the last prize, and it is awesome. The board is awesome. The prize are awesome. So yeah, real nice. I know you that did that. Jesus, the name elude me right now. I'll find it. So thanks again, Nova Scotia Bushcraft, and hopefully we'll be able to meet at one point. Maybe not this year, but to the rendezvous. But maybe next year. We'll see if I get more free time. So thanks, and see you in the next video.